Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add any folders, files and softwares on the Send To option of the context menu in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say here I have one file, one folder as well as one software. So if I right click on any one of this, and if I go to some more options, and below you can see here Send To options. So under the Send To option, by default these are the options that is being included under this Send To option. So how you can add this respective folder or this respective files or this respective software under the Send To options. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Win+R to open the run program, and on the run program you need to type this command cell colon send to. Just type this command and you can click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now it will open the Send To folder. Now what you need to do is, say you want to add this folder, then just right click on it and just copy this and just paste it under the folder of the Send To folder. So we have pasted it. So now let us minimize this and let us right click on any one of this file, say this file, click on some more options, and now let us check back in the Send To options. Now you can see here we have finally added a folder that is our custom folder. So if you want to send this file also, it's possible. Just right click on it and click on some more options, Send To folder, test. This file will be copied to this folder. So let us open this. So finally you can see you can even send to the respective folder. So similarly, if you want to add any software or the files under the Send To option, still you can do the same tricks. Just open again the run program and just go back to the same folder option, that is a cell Send To, and say I want to add this software, and just right click on it, just copy it and once again paste it on the Send To folder. So we pasted it. So let us check again. Let me right click on any one of this file. Let me click on some more options and let us check Send To. So you can see here we finally added a Chrome software. So below you can see I have added my custom folder. So using this cool tricks, you can easily add any folders, files and softwares on the Send To option of the context menu in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.